Here we are at one of our favorite restaurants in the Springfield, Branson area, Lamberts, home of the throwed rolls. We love this place. Hopefully there won't be too many people waiting in line today. Hopefully it won't be a 3.5-hour wait like we have before. So far so good. Not that many people today. Wouldn't you like to have a front porch across your house that's stretched out like this? That'd be so nice. It's a longer porch than you think. Ah, we finally made it inside. Look at the Bigfoot tracks telling you which way to go. It's fun watching the kids jump on the tracks. Slow your roll. Wait a minute, it's our turn now. I love the decor in this place. You never know what you're gonna see next. Oh, here he is, hot rolls. Watch Brenda duck her head like she's gonna get hit with a roll. Oh no! Rolls, hot rolls. We want a hot roll. Okay, now watch almost the center of your screen. You'll start seeing some roll. There's one. You'll start seeing rolls fly through the air. There went another one. There's another one. And another one. Oh, pass arounds. This must be fried okra. At least I hope it is. Wait, come back here. Come back here. I want some fried okra.
It's going to take her an hour to order.
Now, all of this fried okra that she's putting down there is for both of us, not just for me. This is some of the best fried okra you will ever eat anywhere. Throw me a roll, throw me a roll. Watch out. Oh, good catch. Fried okra. Fried okra and sweet tea. Don't get no better than that. Oh, I want some more of that fried okra. Hubcap cinnamon rolls.
We'll get one over there.
Sugar attack and a half. Oh, here's our food.
Came at the perfect time. These just came out too nice.
Fresh potatoes and onions pass arounds. Let's see, what does Brenda have?
You want some, sir?
Yeah, we have a few.
I'll take some of that too. Fried catfish, coleslaw, potatoes and onions, cornbread, and french fries. See what I have. Chicken fried steak, potato, cream gravy, turnip greens, candied yams, fried potatoes and onions. Oh boy, this is gonna be good. Oh, finally, sorghum syrup. We've been waiting on this. Slow as it goes. It's kind of hypnotic, isn't it? I'm fixing to get in trouble. Listen to Brenda. Up, up, up. She's fussing at me again. All right. I asked for a wheelchair, somebody to push me out to the car, but they turned me down, said they couldn't do that. Oh well. this? They're playing Happy Birthday to me. Yippee! Those two little boys remind me of my brother. You'll see why in just a second. Listen real close. The little one wants to go somewhere and the big one won't let him. Yep, just like the two of us back in those days. Now let's see how many people are waiting in line now. Did we come at the right time? We sure did. If you ever have a chance to stop at Lamberts in Ozark, Missouri on Highway 65, do yourself a favor and stop by. I guarantee you're going to love the food.